Hi there, is this Chris Wood?
Yeah, this is Chris.
This is Sam, an interactive voice assistant at CableWave. I'm calling today about your internet service.
What's up with my internet?
There are no issues currently. We're calling to let you know about a scheduled service interruption in your area.
An interruption? Seriously? When's this happening?
The outage is scheduled for next Saturday, May 31st, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. local time. We apologize for any inconvenience this may cause.
Next Saturday? Ugh. I'm on call next weekend. What's the reason for this outage?
The outage is necessary to perform maintenance on critical equipment. This will help ensure a faster and more reliable internet connection for you in the future.
Better internet service is good, but 2 hours seems like a long time to be offline.
The maintenance window is scheduled for 2 hours, but we anticipate the actual repair time to be much shorter, possibly under an hour. Our technicians will be working diligently to restore service as quickly as possible.
Under an hour is better. Is there anything that I need to do?
No, there's no need to take any actions on your end. This is just a courtesy call. Our technicians will handle everything.
Okay. Can I get notified when the internet's back up and running?
Absolutely. We can send you a text message once your service is restored. Would you like to receive the message on the same number I called today?
Sure, that would be helpful.
Certainly. Do you have any other questions?
No, you've answered them all. Thanks for the heads up.
You're welcome, Chris. We appreciate your understanding. Thank you for being a CableWave customer. Goodbye.